Okay, have you heard Erin Condren has new teacher book bags? And I want to talk about this one. Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I am Tanya, the butterfly teacher, and I want to talk about this new Erin Condren teacher backpack. Some people call it a book bag, some people just say bag, whatever you want to call it. I like it so far. I was very hesitant to purchase this bag because it cost $84. And to me, that is way too much for a book bag. When I hear book bag or backpack, I do not think, okay, I'm gonna spend almost $100. But I did not spend $84, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how I saved lots on this bag, and whether you're buying this bag or something else, you can save money too, okay? So the reason why I got this design, this is the mid-century circle with the navy design rather than the flora design or the in bloom. The in bloom is the other design that you could get. The reason why I got this is because I own this navy crossbody bag with a mid-centuries strap, and even though they are not the same blue, I thought, well, they're similar. I mean, somebody would have to be super close to me, like if I'm going through the airport or traveling or something and I'm carrying both, at least they're similar. So that's the reason why I got this. Plus, I thought that shade of pink on the in bloom bag, it wouldn't match as many clothes. You know, I thought something that looks like this, a navy, would match more of what I might be wearing, okay? So the bag is very roomy. You saw me stuffing it with lots of things. Let me just go through all the different specs of the bag. Love this shade of brown vegan leather straps. And because they come with these straps, I would not recommend washing this in the washing machine. If you get a stain on it, then you're gonna have to use maybe one of those spot pins to get the stain out, because this is actually, I want to double check. I think this is real leather, not just vegan leather. I'll make sure to add that detail to see, is this real leather or vegan? But because of these leather straps, you cannot wash it in the washing machine. But I love these straps. There's something about this combination of blue and brown that looks sophisticated to me, especially anything with gold accents. If you've watched my channel before, I love gold accents. I wear more gold than silver, and those gold accents are all over the bag, okay? Along with that brown. Very pretty. It's even on the front pocket too, the zipper. It's got that little brown to it. That pop of color for the mid-century circles is cute. Once you get on the inside of the bag, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets. Very convenient. Whether you are a teacher or not, having that many compartments is so helpful. You can put water bottles on the side or coffee cups. As a matter of fact, let me grab a cup so that I can show you how a tumbler would fit there. Okay, I have my Teachers Pay Teachers tumbler. Let me put that on the side. As you can see, it's snug. It's a tight fit. I would not trust coffee or some other drink that could splash on my bag, but it fits a cup and it fits a water bottle with ease, right? But those side pockets aren't just for cups. If you have eyeglasses or, you know, pencil case, it also fits on the side too. As long as you're traveling somewhere and you're not putting something there that somebody can easily snatch out. So those are options for the side pockets. I have my MacBook Pro in this inner pocket, which it's kind of insulated. So that's a great thing, because if you are carrying some sort of laptop, it's going to be cushioned better. And then right next to it is another smaller pocket. I have a 7x9 planner that I just stuffed in there. These spirals can get pretty, like they're kind of wide. So it fits well in there. And there's still just a little, there's more room. Like if I wanted to stuff something else in there, I could. What else do I have in here? I have 3 packed planny packs. Washi tape in one, writing utensils in the other. And then I always use the planny packs for like tech gear, chargers, my external hard drives, my thumb drives, whatever techie type stuff I'm carrying around. I use a planny pack for that. And I have all 3 of these in the front pocket, which is a much bigger pocket, along with my MacBook charger. I'll take that out. Okay, my friends, I am continuing to stuff all of the little pockets and all of the compartments inside this bag. You probably don't want to hear me babble about each little thing I was able to fit in all of these little slots and pockets. The point is, it's pretty roomy on the inside, which is great because you don't have to just use this backpack as a teacher. You can use this as a homeschooling parent, as a nurse, as whatever you want to use it as. Anyone who wants to use this, there's plenty of little pockets. In fact, as I was digging and stuffing, I found a 9th compartment. So this bag actually has 9 different compartments to put things. I want to show you what the bag looks like as you're carrying it, and I want to talk about what some like things you need to keep in mind based on your height. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so as you can see how it looks on my back, for reference sake, I am 5'3". So the reason why I mention my height is where the bag sits on me. I'm not pulling it much, and I don't have it adjusted that much here. And this is where it falls on me. This is where it starts, and this is where it stops. So if you're a very tall person, or if you're shorter than I am, keep that in mind with this bag, where it might sit on your body. Okay, I love leopard print. I'm in my car and I have leopard print seat covers. But here's what the bag looks like. Dun, 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 riding in your beautiful car, whatever type of vehicle you have. That's a cute bag, I will admit. Very cute. Okay, my friends, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I did not spend $84 on this bag. As you can see from my digital receipt here, I got lots of dollars off. And I did it starting with the EC Insider, which is a free rewards program that Erin Condren offers. For doing certain things like following them on social and making purchases, you get points. You can redeem those points for dollars off. I also use some of the coupon codes that came in my life planner and stack those with my EC Insider points. So I have links for those in the description box below so that you can become an EC Insider, get $10 off your first purchase. And that's how I save so much money on this bag. And whether you choose to purchase this bag or not, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this bag. Would you get this for yourself? Do you already have this for yourself? Hopefully you will also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. See you in the next video, my friends.